Do not dry them longer than supposed. Leaving bed linens in the dryer for too long can cause them to shrink. It is advisable to dry on low heat to avoid over-drying. It is even better to dry sheets with sunlight. Avoid long intervals between washes. Waiting for a very long period of time before your next wash isn't good for your bedsheet durability. It gives room for sweats, dirt, and germs to accumulate, and this could cause permanent stains on the sheets. Worse, you are literally facing several health risks. Do not jam-pack sheets in the washer. Having too many sheets in the washer at a time causes friction that could lead to wear and tear of sheets. While this might seem like the fastest way to get done with laundry, it actually kills your sheets, and of course, makes you spend more. Avoid washing or drying sheets with other fabrics. It is of great importance to separate laundry to avoid the transfer of bacteria from one to another in the washer. Towels take a longer time to dry compared to sheets. Putting them together in a dryer becomes a problem, as the sheets would have to spend a longer time in the dryer than normal. Beware of the detergents you use. The detergents you use to wash your sheets greatly influence your bedsheet durability. Hence, you have to be very careful about the kind of detergents you use for laundry. As a matter of fact, too much use of detergent can cause damages to your sheets, as it accumulates over time and makes sheets stiff. Follow the manufacturer's guide when using detergents. Bonus tip: know the right settings. Know when to use normal settings and heavy-duty settings. Using normal settings to wash sheets reduces wrinkling. Keeping your bed linens clean at all times is absolutely compulsory. However, the way you intend to keep them clean can have untold effects on your bedsheet durability. Be sure to employ these smart tricks above to keep your bed linens clean and functional for as long as possible. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Want more tips? Check out our previous video, 5 eco-friendly alternatives for harmful cleaning products. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208884949 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.